Hi everyone and welcome to a new video of Plant Yes. In this video I'm going to show you how to propagate this plant, the Ficus benjamina. It would really help me if you could subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Use pruning scissors to make the cuttings from the branches. Since this plant was not growing well, I will cut off all the living branches to make cuttings. Put all the cuttings in a glass of water to start the rooting process. Rooting will take around 4 to 6 weeks. Leave the glass on a spot with enough light. When most of the cuttings have rooted, it is best to sort out which cuttings indeed have rooted and which haven't. The ones that do not have roots can be put into the water again. The rooted cuttings can be repotted in a pot with potting soil. You can put all your cuttings in one pot or in separate pots. Thank you for watching this video on the propagation of Ficus benjamina. If you've enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to my channel and have a look at one of the videos that you can see beside me now. Have a look around and start to grow your knowledge. Bye!